Tabletop easel on the go, solid construction, so easy to use. I'm really pleased with this. It is solid beechwood. The metal components are all really durable. I really like them. I feel like it's really well made. The construction is good. Everything stays open really well. Easel is really well made, easy to hold with the spatula. I've never seen a color wheel like this before. I've taken so many painting classes. This is actually pretty cool. So you can line up and say, if I want to mix orangey red with yellow, what color would I get? But if I want to mix yellow with green, I get this color. It's just a really interesting color mixing guide, super helpful. Really like this thing. You do get 12 colors of acrylics. They're 12 ounces each. You have your flat paint brushes and your rounded. These go from 6 all the way up to 18. The rounded, a 0, a 2, and a 4. Pretty sharp tips there. Need to be broken in, but nice. And then there's foam on the bottom, plenty of places to hold and store things. Love that all my paintbrushes could fit in there. Love that all the components fit in there. But then when you turn it around, that's where you put your paper or your canvas. So you can see here, you can change the angle on that any way you like. This holds your paper or your canvas. So I do have a canvas board here. It slides right in, and then you pick the angle and it will hold that in place, which I do like too. Overall, I feel like the construction of this is really well made. I love that it can compress all the way tight and you can take it anywhere you want to go with the handle, and that you can put it any direction that you like and have it stay in place from there, and it's really good on the go. If you're searching for a great gift, good quality, all is well here. Very pleased with this.